Okay. My name is Confidence Zorom Chinedu, popularly known as MC Zorom, from all the way Umudiku Umobomida Tosa local government.
Wow.
But my village doesn't matter where I came from. We are one.
Yeah.
Now this is my technology.
Okay.
Popularly known as I pass NEPA, or I call it Efrene Nwaku. China na boya Efre Tachota Inya Alala Chinga Vinya Toto Waya. Onya Abakreke si anta chukwa chenta lo fele ka malo fish. Onye nsokati ya people ni mebe narash. Onye nkano si ya akriti piogono. Onye mba no si ya fo oya oyela. Onye alo were bai sigi ba ama oyo mnai.
Yiri na me wo oko.
Nwan yo ani chatigi ti yaro mere mi fa. You know what? Yeah, this is the light.
Okay.
It has water resistance.
Okay.
You wash it every year.
Ah, saya.
Yeah, saya meaning I will speak English, I will speak Igbo. You that not hearing English. Now, every year saya sa. Warobana, you wouldn't mean in ancha saya. In every year, you use water and soap to wash it and the sponge.
Okay.
Now, how you function? It doesn't consume battery like after NEPA.
Okay.
Very beautiful in the night. More than this. You are watching now. It's on now. Or your watch is off. Or your watch will reflect. It's on.
Wow.
It's off.
Wow.
Water don't spoil it like after NEPA or chargeable touch. What you have to do for me, once in a year, wash the lights with water and soap. That's all. A student can use it to lead. Somebody that has eye problem can use it.
Okay.
Now, what I'm begging my people that are watching me right now, I am with my fellow MC.
MC Kubaba, in case you don't know, are you seeing me? Okay.
You that are watching me in diaspora, I don't know your time. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning. What I'm begging you that are watching me today, I'm not a beggar. It's not every disabled that you see on the load.
I'm not
a beggar.
Handwork is good.
I have handwork.
Yes.
I'm MC comedian. If you have a contact to AY, connect me to him. Connect me to him. See AY, umwete yantiri aroga like it. Mpalishi apai yoga like it. Oga palia. You know what? You that watching me, what I'm begging you today is patronize me, support me, empower me. Even though you cannot use it because of the locality, you have the beautiful one that's stronger than this. Yes, I am begging you that watching me today. You can call me through my phone number I'm about to mention, or through my brother on his media and on his site, social media. You can also get me through my phone number. So, because you can connect me with this number I'm about to mention. Okay. 080 60 73 2335. Let me repeat it again. 080 60 73 2335. That's my WhatsApp number too. You can connect me, you can contact me, you can also reach me with this my brother too.
Okay.
I am begging you, patronize me, support me, empower me. I need empowerment. I have a lot of invention to launch out. But my problem, my physical challenge I'm having now is financial. And all I'm begging you that are watching me today, I need a vehicle like shuttle bus, all this mini bus. After production, I will carry the product and the vehicle. Then I will buy all those speakers that is on top of the vehicle that speak when you are going out. The announcement speaker. Yeah. You can support me with anything. I need empowerment. I need support. Patronage. Even though you cannot use it, call me. Pre-order 100 pieces. Pre-order 100 pieces. Tell me to share it in other areas. There is many people that need it, but they don't have money because we don't have steady lights. That is why they give me that name. I pass NEPA.
I pass NEPA.
Yeah.
All
I'm begging you, I'm not a beggar. I'm begging you to support me, to patronize me. Anything God touches you to do for me, through that number I mentioned, 080 60 73 2335. That is my number. It's my WhatsApp number. You can connect me, or you can contact me through my fellow MC.
Okay, thank you, my people. On don't forget, no, if I name Akoro. Handwork is good. Go. You could take it out. It's my birthday for now. All the disabled. Gotta go. But on where I call. You understand? Because you are not about Oko. If you catch her, gotta go. I don't know. You know, go contact. If you contact, big you got fear on the screen.
As you watch, share. I have a electric stove.
In a local electric stove.
Yeah, that has.
Wow.
It powers by battery. Your car battery, this minibus battery.
If you are here.
No, I can't call it. That is why.
Okay.
You can, through that number, you can catch it up on my platform. You
Wow.
see it.
Wow.
You can use it also in electric, but it's a little costly.
You send me the sample on WhatsApp, so that I will show this people now. I will show you. Yeah, fair. Fair. No, there is you. You know. You chinyere were na alopụta one or two. Ọ bụrụ na ofu ebe na-achọ nke onye ga-adọ. Anyị dị. Na people. Daalụ.
As you watch, please share.
Yeah, share.
Please. Even though you cannot patronize, you cannot do anything. You see your share button.
Share, subscribe, share. Share. Nenye, onye nyere ya nye. Nenye. Keep nyere. Okay, now thank you, my people. Don't forget, they call me MC Kubaba. You know, I'll give me a banner. I have for there.